Heading toward my mama's trailer here in the southwest part of the city. Got some tree here on the street. Gotta maneuver around. Like a forest area over here. Looks like we got some trees. Wow. Following behind my semi truck. That's a 4-lane road. As you can see, trees. You can see the intersection signs. Maybe you can't yet. We're at the corner of Southwest 15th and MacArthur. That's a 7-Eleven. The apartment complex. No, not complex, but up ahead you can't probably see it until I get closer. But I can't go through because it's a down line. I'm running over tree parts now. Jeez. You see the power line here? It's dangling across the entrance over there. So you can see the damage. Okay. This is Mama's trailer. Sister's car. This is my mama's trailer. You can see the neighbors. Oh my. Neighbor back here. Look like all the skirting is here. Power's out in the neighborhood. Hey, what's going on, man? You make it through okay?
Yeah, the skirting is pushed in a little bit at the bottom, but other than that, fine. I think I can get it pulled back out. Looks like she didn't do too badly.
This, no. It looks like every bit of her skirting is still there. Not a single, I mean, every
That
piece.
hanging down, if there's been doing that for some time,
Yeah.
it's not this whole one.
Well, we're driving the neighborhood. I told Mama I was gonna go shoot some video. So.
Oddly enough, I called my son out in California to get a weather report in Oklahoma because that electricity's still out here.
Yeah, and who knows as long as it's gonna be out.
Looks like.
Man, this is remarkable. I have to get this is remarkable.
Semi-cold beer and pizza for breakfast, I guess. Yeah, this row of cedars that I put in years ago not only blocks the sun in the afternoon, but it blocks the wind. And so everything's fine with all the crap that washed out of the trees. It's only over here where the
Did you stay here last night? Did you write it out?
Went over and stood around outside in the office. It was obvious that the majority of this is. I'm surprised we got as much wind down.
Man.
Yeah,
Look at the guy's shadow.
And their siding off their house down the alleyway.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Over here in the northwest corner, there's big trees down all over everywhere, like storage buildings, mangled.
Maybe her sitting here with all these close trailers and not allowing the wind to kind of like whip through, like if I kind of picked up momentum through this open area. I mean, because they got ripped over here.
Well, of course, their skirting.
Yeah.
Been a problem ever since it was put in. It's fairly high over there.
Yeah.
And even the wind we've had here in the last few months has pushed the bottom of it in a little bit because it's not, the bottom track wasn't
secure enough. Yeah.
See, mine's all screwed together. See here?
Oh yeah.
About every 3 feet, I put a screw in it, and then I've got this, and it. The only thing I got is it got pushed in a little bit over here. I don't think I can pull it back out.
Yeah, that looks great. The work you've done through it.
Yeah, see how far it's moved? Where the edging ends, it's moved in about that far.
I'm gonna have to get going. I'm gonna meet my mama.
Yeah.
But man, she looks, man, compared to what's going on, she looks pretty good. I mean,
yeah. Well, see, the thing is and this siding is relatively, you get on houses that are relatively inexpensive, like this one, and the steel roof the same way. And oddly enough, it's a lot tougher. It's a lot more resistant to damage. These people with shingle roofs and vinyl siding, I think they just tore them a new one. Some of them had just got them re-roofed and re-sided after the hailstorm storm here a year ago. I got out and mowed.
mowed.
Well, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, I can see the line.
Anticipating the rain. It's a good thing I did.
Appreciate you helping take care of my mama's yard too. All right, so I gotta get going.
Yeah. Say hi, Dorothy.
Absolutely. Thank you, sir. Ugh. Soggy ground. Great neighbor. Very chatty. This is his car. Remarkably. I guess it just, since they get in the tornado, they got a lot of wind and stuff. You know. Okay. We're gonna get in the vehicle. Check the neighborhood. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
What this franchise is in this city, in that part of the country, incredible
Wow. This is all about winds, people. All about the winds. Apparently not a tornado, but on the outskirts, they got all those winds. Incredible winds. Riding through the trees and stuff. Look at this place. Looks like we got a tree. I'm gonna have to go around. It's a tree in the way. Trees. Let's see if we can get back out of here. And keep in mind now, these streets are there's trees all through the streets. Trees.
The Yankees will always be there. Not just because they spend money, because other teams spend money. Right now, they spend money the right way.
I think I can get my truck through here.
I had them at 3, and I had them ahead of a lot of great franchises. You got the Yankees as the best organization in professional sports. My number one said, how in the world does a team in the most powerful sporting league in this continent, maybe the world, remain in a city of 102,000 people? The Green Bay Packers. I was almost there. I like it. Greatness, championships, remarkable, incredible players. But my favorite thing about this franchise is that they are owned by the community, the people. I mean, in this world of franchise relocation and get me to the biggest market.
Trees, the damage.
A town of 102,000 people. Community owned. The only community owned franchise in American professional sports. The pride
Where
in
you
and
go?
around Green Bay and Wisconsin and the upper Midwest is unbelievable when it comes to the Green Bay Packers. The way that they do this, the way that it hasn't changed, that one owner has not come in and taken over. You never hear threats of relocation. You never hear threats of
Very clean community. Tree limbs skirting everywhere.
Packers to me the greatest organization in professional sports. You know, when I had a chance to visit Lambeau Field, I was pretty kid. Ron Washington played for me.
Going out now.
His dad, Lionel, all the time.
You see the power line hanging perilously across the way. All this over here.
It was absolutely walking in there and into their offices. You know, watching players ride their bicycles literally across to get into the indoor practice facility and just talking to people in the grass.
This video really isn't giving you the true scope of the damage.
These guys, this is Green Bay, Wisconsin.
All these trees down.
Crazy. And talking to some of the players and how they get caught up. It's a college. It's basically
Getting back onto MacArthur.
playing professional football, and that the ownership and the passion of the fans and the relationship they have with the team makes it very special. So that's a great thing. Thank you. Like yours, you go Yankees one, I go Packers one. All right. How do you defend LeBron James? I don't know. Let's ask somebody who's had to do it. Bruce Bowen steps in. CSPN Radio.
While I was in high school, academically, I wasn't known for being the best in my class. On the other hand, I could be any crazy kid in a game of horse. Hi, Bob Berry Jr. here for Johnson's of Kingfisher, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, and Ram. This month, Johnson's is wheeling and dealing on all of Johnson's great-looking 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokees. Best-in-class fuel economy, best-in-class cruising range, and able to tow best in class 7,400 pounds. Make that short drive to Kingfisher. The 2014
Kind of going back north up MacArthur.
If you can beat John Johnson in a game of horse, he'll buy you a Coke.
Total sports coverage, 98.1 FM, WWLS, the sports animal.
All these lines were, pole lines were upright. You guys can see the river. It's usually dry. It's been so dry this season. Nice. Pulls out in front of me. Good driving. What an ass. What is that up there? What the heck is this? Somebody's trailer. There's a trailer. Maybe it came. There's another trailer. Who knows where it came from? Video over.